Are you looking to make your WordPress menu more visually appealing and user-friendly? Today, I'm going to show you a simple way to add icons to your WordPress menu, making your site look more professional and easier to navigate. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and head over to Appearance. Then click on Menus. Here, you'll see all the menus available on your site. Choose the one you want to edit. Next, expand the individual menu item where you want to add an icon. If you've installed the right plugin, you'll see a new option, usually labeled something like Icon Select. Click on it and you'll be presented with an icon library. This could be Dash Icons, Font Awesome, or another library depending on the plugin you're using. Once you've picked the icon, you can usually customize it further. Most plugins allow you to adjust the position, size, and color of your icon so it matches your site's style perfectly. After customizing, don't forget to save your menu. Then visit your site and check it out. The menu icons should now be live, giving your website a polished and professional look. Adding icons to your WordPress menu is a small change that makes a huge difference in navigation and aesthetics. Give it a try and watch your menu come to life.